Hello guys, so today we are here to solve our daily lead code challenge for the day, and this problem is minimum size subarray sum. So in this problem we are given an integer array nums as it is seen here, integer array nums, and one integer target, positive integer target. Okay, and we have to return the minimum length of a subarray. Minimum length of a subarray. So see, there is a distinction in subarray and subsequence. Subarray is contiguous. I mean to say it will be continuous. It will, in a subarray, this 231 is a subarray. Okay, 3124 is a subarray. So all continuous. I mean to say it will not be having any breaks. If there is any break, then that is a subsequence. Okay. So with this thing clear, it is saying that minimal length subarray whose sum is greater than or equal to target. Okay, so the thing is that its sum should be greater than or equal to target. So this is very typical problem. And this problem, this is what is regarded as, mm, variable length sliding window. So this is the pattern, and I'm really thankful to my teachers for showing me this. So uh, to solve this problem, we'll be declaring something. So we need to return this minimal length subarray. Okay, so we need to return the minimal length. So first of all, the thing that we are going to return is minimum range. Okay, so minimal length subarray is this, minimal. Okay, we can name it as minimal length. Okay, minimal length, let's name it as even more clear like this. And since it is minimal, so it makes sense to initialize it with maximum value, integer dot max val, max val. Okay, and then left will be our starting index, and then right will be the this will be continuously moving right. And then we need to declare one more thing, window sum. Okay, minimal sum, which is equal to or less than, greater than or equal to the target. So window sum, and this is the sum of uh, running sum of the subarray range that we need to store. So for this we have declared this window sum. Okay, so let me take this little. Okay, so everything is will be there in a line. Okay, so these are the few variables that we have declared. Okay, and now we'll see. So we'll do while right is less than nums dot length. So our right will go till it is less than the length of the nums array. Usual stuff. This is how we iterate the this loop. And the common mistake that I always do, that I tend to forget incrementing this right thing. So this is the thing that will be always be doing. Okay, in this traversing of the array. Now we have what was most to for functioning of this logic. These are the basic things that we needed to have, and now it's there. And now we have to think what is the logic that we should write which will solve this problem. So the logic for this problem is that at every step, okay, will be finding the window sum. Okay, window sum will be equal to, it will be this current right. Okay, so initially the window sum is 0. So at the first index we'll be adding the value of first index into the window sum, and then what we will do, that we will check if window sum. So if window sum is if window sum is greater than or equal to target. So we will check this if window sum is greater than or equal to target. Okay, so we will check this logic. So if it is greater than or equal to target, obviously we need to since we are interested in capturing this minimal length, so as soon as it becomes greater than or equal to the target, we will be storing that value. So we will take this minimal length subarray. Okay, and then we'll put this math dot min. Okay, so existing value is this. Existing value is this. So we will take this as the first parameter or second parameter, whatever. And the second parameter will be the current right index minus left plus 1. Okay, this is the thing that in between any two, like let's say in between, if right is at this position, so this is 0 1 2 3 3 minus, let's say right left is at this position, so 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 will be 2, but plus 1 because 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 1, so 3 will be there. Okay, so this is the right minus left plus 1 thing. Okay, so after doing this, what we will do that we will check this, and what we will do that if window sum can if window sum can become you know since we have already checked that, so we will left remove the windows from the window sum, we will take the left value out and we will do plus plus left. So this thing will be happening inside a loop. Okay, and as long as that window sum is greater than equal to the target, we'll be doing this. Okay, and then here after this, I don't think we need to do anything else in this. Okay, yeah, I don't think so. We will come to this position, we'll do a dry run of this. Okay, so output is 2 and this target is 7, so 2 3 5 1 6 2, then 8 8 is this, then 8 minus 2 6, then again till here it will go, and then again right will come on here, 3 1 4 2 6 4 10, 10 is too much, then again 4 2 6 1 7. Okay, so 3, and then it will come to this position. Okay, so I think this logic will work, and then we will be okay, yeah. So in this case, see, target is 11, but sum of all of them is less than 11. So this is also one possibility that even after we have come to the end of this array, the min length sub array is still max val. So that is not the correct. So what we'll do that we'll check this min length sub array value, whether it is equal to integer dot max val. We'll put one question mark. If it is equal to min length subarray is this, then we'll be returning 0. Otherwise, we'll be returning this min length subarray value only. Okay, so with this, I think we are done. I don't think there is anything else. So what we are basically doing here, at every step, we are incrementing the window sum. Okay, then checking whether window sum is greater than or equal to target. If it is not equal to the target, then we are incrementing the right value. And then again, if right is within the nums length range, then again we are coming inside and then doing window sum, addition of window sum with the nums of right, and then again we are going into this while loop. And in this while loop, what we are doing, window sum is greater than or equal to the target. Okay, window sum is greater than or equal to the target. Okay, so and as long as window sum is greater than or equal to the target, we are taking the min length value from the current value, the minimum of the current value of min length subarray, and right minus left plus 1, and then we are decrementing window sum, the leftmost value of that range. We are decrementing that from the window sum and then incrementing the left. So we are in a sense we are contracting the left value, keeping the right at the position where it is till window sum is greater than or equal to the target. And as long as window sum is greater than or equal to the target, we keep on squeeze that range from the left. So this is how we are solving this problem. So with this, let's try to run, check what is happening here. There is some error, and what is that? Cannot find symbol window sum is equal to 0. Why, man? Variable class integer max. What is the value of max? integer dot max Maxwell. What is the variable? I don't remember even. It's not even supporting anything. How to get that? My goodness, Java P. Max value. Okay, it's not Maxwell. It's MAX_VALUE. Almost always I'm forgetting this value. Okay, so we have to take this and copy this also here. Okay, so this is the thing that we need to care. Perfect. Perfect. So with this, I'll stop this video. If you have any question, please post it in the comments and happily I'll answer those doubts. Thanks a lot.